doing for comic relief then, Jack?
Watching the Comic Relief programme.
Is it good?
Yes.
What do you like about it? Oh, hang on. Mum wants to say something.
Mummy.
Here's Mum.
Hello.
Hello, Mum.
Hi. What have you been doing today? I've been doing a bit of this and a bit of that.
What are you doing for comic relief?
Well, we've made some Rocky Road and we're going to sell it to the family and we'll donate the money to the charity.
Lovely. Well, Jack, have you got anything to say today?
Yes. Happy Comic Relief.
Bye.
Happy Comic Relief.
Bye.